Hey everybody, Doug Taylor here with American Backflow Products. Today in our repair tool series, we're going to be looking at the Febco bonnet removal wrench. This wrench comes in two sizes, 3/4 inch and 1 inch, and is used on the Febco 765 pressure vacuum breaker. As you can see in this tool, there's a cutout. This cutout slips over the bonnet, which is threaded into the body of the 765 and connects onto all the arms and posts so that you can remove it without damaging it. Very helpful if you've got a stuck or a partially broken bonnet assembly. Same tool can be used to reinstall the new one. You can also see on the flip side of the tool, it's got a couple cutouts here. That's to help remove the lock nut on top of the canopy. So let's take a closer look at how this tool works. Use the cutout on the end of the wrench to remove the lock nut on top of the canopy. Once you remove the canopy, you'll have access to the bonnet. Using the other side of the wrench, line up the post and bracket arms and turn counterclockwise. You can also use this wrench to reinstall in the exact same manner. For more information on these tools, or if you'd like to order them, please visit us online or call us. Also, check out our YouTube channel for more repair videos. Thank you.